Hey everyone, today in this video we'll see how can we easily add nicknames on Instagram conversations, so follow up with me and let's jump right into it. Now, since this is a new feature on Instagram, open your Play Store or App Store and make sure we have the Instagram application updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, open Instagram. Of course, you have to be logged into your account, and then open the chats and conversations by tapping this icon that should be in the top right corner. From here, choose the conversation that you want to add nicknames to. This works even in groups. I'm gonna open this conversation. Now from here, I need to tap on their name or profile picture in the top right here. Now, as you can see, there is nicknames. You go ahead and tap on it, of course. And just like that, tap on OK if you get this screen, and you'll get to change the nicknames easily just like that. I'm just gonna skip this and then tap on the person that I want to change the username of, or the nickname, excuse me. And from here, I'm gonna change their nickname to an emoji or another name. It doesn't really matter. I can do that even to myself. As you can see, guys, once I go back to the conversation, the nicknames will be saved in some seconds, and you can change the nicknames unlimited amount of times. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching.